Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Trust Wallet to JumpTask. First, open your Trust Wallet app and locate the D-app browser. It's usually found at the bottom of the screen. Before proceeding, double-check that you're on the correct blockchain network, typically Binance Smart Chain, to ensure compatibility with JumpTask. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Once in the D-app browser, type JumpTask, EO into the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the JumpTask platform. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually prominent on the home page. When prompted, select Trust Wallet from the options presented. This action initiates the secure connection between your wallet and the platform. After selecting Trust Wallet, a pop-up will appear in your wallet asking for your approval to connect. Always review the details of this request to ensure you're connecting to the legitimate JumpTask site. Once you're confident, confirm the connection. You should then see your wallet address or balance reflected on the JumpTask dashboard, indicating a successful link. If you encounter any issues, try clearing your D-app browser's cache within Trust Wallet settings. Also, make sure your Trust Wallet application is fully updated to the newest version for optimal performance. With your wallet now connected, you're all set to explore JumpTask and begin earning rewards. Enjoy the seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.